Konnichiwa mga kamachi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you know the drill. It's my dental appointment again, and today is cloudy and it's Aki. So I'm heading to my dentist and yeah, ganun ulit. Katapos na ulit yung work ko and ano ba? Ano nangyari? I had my breakfast, I fed my dog and yeah. Ano ba guys, ang bagal ng pag-foliage ng mga momiji, ng mga maple trees dito or ng ginkgo trees kasi climate change is real and sobrang dapat in the second or first week of November ano na siya, talagang reddish, orange, dark red, yellow na yung mga trees, and dito ngayon ay hindi pa masyado. Look. That's the momiji. Wala yung kulot natin. So 11:30 yung aking appointment and 11:30 na now and madali tayo. Sorry, tired. Kasi may ginagawang kalsada doon sa may isang bus stops. So kaya tayo ay nagmamadali. Kasi madali. Lakad mode. Lamig ng hangin dito, in fairness. And ayan. Late po tayo. At ang ating hair and wala na yung kulot. I need to go back to the Philippines to have my kulot. This. To this. Ito na yung wine. My dentist. I'm heading to the station right now. Ilang steps na tayo for today is 7,400. Half day pa lang. And 5.6 kilometers ng distance. That's it guys. Natapos na ang ating dental clinic appointment. And I'm going home. I'm walking now to our house. And yeah, that's it. And I got my rubber as a wine color. Wala na mukha ko kasi ang lamig tapos ang init ng face ko. Namumula. So, hindi po to blush on. Ito pa ay natural red. Natural blush. So, yun. And yeah, that's it. I finished my dental appointment today and I'll be back at work at 4 p.m. So that's it guys. Yeah, so I'll see you again on my next one. Bye, Jenny.